Good morning, students. Let us start Unit 3 poem Little by Little Marigold Class 3. This is video number 3. In this, we will do question and answers of the poem. This is part 3 video. In part 1, we have done poem recitation. In part 2 video, we have learned new words, and this is video number 3 in which we will learn question and answers. If you have not seen video number 1 and video number 2, you can find link I button above, and you will also find link in this video. So let us start question and answers of Little by Little. Reading is fun. Reading is fun. In this section, we have some questions and we have to answer depending upon our understanding of poem or story. So in every poem or story, there is a reading is fun section. In this section, we have to answer only depending upon the story or poem. So if you have recited, if you have understand poem well, story well, then only you can answer this section. So if you have not recited the poem, you have not read the poem, first read the poem, then come to the reading is fun section. Okay, so let us start. Question number 1. Name the tree that the acorn grows into. Name the tree that the acorn grows into. The tree that acorn grows into an oak tree. Acorn grows into an oak tree. Okay, so name the tree that the acorn grows into. The answer is the tree that acorn grows into an oak tree. Grows into an oak tree. What things does a seed need to grow? What things does a seed need to grow? We put seeds under the ground, then it grows itself. But there are something it needs to grow. What are that things? Let us see. A seed needs air. It gets from the environment. Water, it gets from the soil. And the soil, why soil? Because it gets nutrients from the soil. It stands in the soil. Okay, it is home for the soil. So a seed needs air, water and soil to grow. Okay. Next question. How many describing words can you find in this poem? Describing words are the words which describes the noun. So there are number of describing words used in this poem. Let us list some. Describing words in the poem are slowly, improving, deep, sipped, tiny, slender, mighty, etc. So these are the describing words: slowly, improving, deep, sipped, tiny, slender, mighty, etc. You can also find some describing words and let me know in comment box. Okay. Next is talk time. Talk time means we have to talk. You know, you like talking? Yes, let us start. Look at the two pictures. Find 4 things that are different about these trees and talk about them. I will give you 2 pictures. You have to see them and talk with picture that what are 4 different things you can see on the pictures. Okay, this is picture number 1. I give you all this. Who is I? Tree. Tree gives all this. Okay, and the picture number 2. What do you give me? And what we give to the tree. So we have to talk about these 2 trees. Let us see picture 1. You can see a boy standing there and breathing nicely. He was happy because tree gives us oxygen, which is necessary for our life. And you can see in picture 1, tree is very happy. Okay, tree is very happy. When tree is very happy, it gives vegetable, it gives fruit, it gives shelter to birds, it gives medicine. Okay. So in picture 1, what you can see, a boy is happy under it because he can breathe properly. Then tree is also happy because it gives medicine, it gives vegetables, it gives fruits, it gives shelter to birds. You can see the nest. Nest is a shelter, home place for the birds. And whereas in second pictures, let us talk about second pictures, sad tree. When tree is sad, no one is under it because it is not giving pure oxygen. Then what we do with the tree? We just cut the tree and do the firework. Okay. You can see in back side, we cut the tree for furniture wood. You can see we throw waste material on the tree, the tire and other waste material. So the birds fly away from the tree. Okay. So tree is sad. You can also tell some more information about pictures. You can observe and tell. Let us move to next. Now we have to look the picture 1 and write 3 sentences on what the tree gives us. In picture 1 you must have seen we have to write 3 sentences by seeing the picture. Okay. The tree gives us fruits. The tree gives us fruits. You can see these yummy fruits. Who gives? Tree gives. The tree gives us vegetable. There are several vegetables that tree gives, which is very nutritious, which is very necessary for our healthy life. The tree gives us medicine. The tree gives us medicine. Okay. So the tree gives us fruit, the tree gives us vegetable, the tree gives us medicines. Now look at picture 2 and write 3 sentences. How we harm the tree. How we harm the trees. Fire. We cut the trees for firewood. We cut the trees for firewood. This have 2 problems. One, it make environment polluted, and second, the tree will reduce. We will cut the tree will die, and we will not get pure oxygen, we will not get fruits, we will not get vegetables, we will not get medicines. Okay. Next, we cut the tree for firewood. Next, we cut tree for furniture wood. We also cut the tree to get different kind of furnitures to our home. Okay. We cut tree for leaves, and we also cut the tree for leaves. And when we will cut trees for leaves, we cut the even if we cut the leaves, what will happen? Tree will die itself, because leaves is the part of the tree that makes food for the tree. If food maker will be not there, then it will die. Okay. So we cut the tree. So these are the way we harm the tree. You can also tell me some points how we harm the trees. Okay, let us move. These words describe parts of a tree. Write them in the given space. Okay, there are some words which describe the parts of tree. Let us see what are the different parts of a tree. Stem, the main body of plant. Okay, stem is the main body of the plant. Bark, the outermost layer of stem. Outermost layer of the stem. Leaves, a flattened structure of the plant. Branch, a part of a tree which grows out from the trunk. Okay. Twigs, a slender woody shoot. What is a twig? It is a kind of branch which is slender, means thin. Root, the part of plant which is under the ground and takes water and nutrients from the soil for the tree, and it also supports the tree to stand. Shoot, the part of plant which is above the ground. The part of plant which is above the ground, on which you will see stem, bark, leaves, branch, twigs, everything grows over the shoot. So whatever visible part you are seeing is called as shoot. Okay. Now let us see. Match the opposite words. One has been done for you. Okay. There are two columns: downward, slowly, little, slender, mighty, day. Downward, slowly, little, slender, mighty, day. And in second column, weak, night, upwards, fast, fat, big. So we have to put this line like done is for mighty for all. So opposite of mighty is weak. Mighty is powerful, weak is opposite of mighty. Similarly, we have to find out opposite of every word. Downward. Down means down. What's down? Downward. So opposite is upward. Down, opposite of down is up. Down, up. So downward, upward. Slowly, fast. Slowly, fast. Opposite. Slowly, fast. Little, big. Little, big. Little, big. Slender, fat. I told you slender means thin. Slender, fat. Slender, fat. And we must all know day, night. So opposite of downward, upward, slowly, fast, little, big, slender, fat, mighty, weak, day, night. So this ends the exercise. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.